If you've ever spent what feels like forever on a simple sewing project, you know the struggle. Most home machines crawl along, stall on long seams, or make you stop constantly to fix skipped stitches. That's why I wanted to put together a list of the top 5 home sewing machines that actually save you time. These are machines that aren't just strong, they're built to keep your projects moving, let you sew faster without errors, and actually make finishing projects less frustrating. 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4432, $230 to $280. Let's start with a classic. The Singer 4432 is one of the most surprisingly fast budget machines out there. Priced around $230 to $280, it's not industrial level, but it has a really strong motor for its class. We're talking about a motor that can maintain over 1,100 stitches per minute, which is a big step up from most entry-level machines that struggle past 600 to 800 SPM. But speed isn't just about numbers. The 4432 has a metal frame inside, which means it doesn't shake or wobble when you sew faster. That keeps your stitches straight and even, so you don't waste time fixing mistakes. What I love about this machine is that it's practical. It's got 32 built-in stitches, which is plenty for most home projects, and the automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin make setup quick. That might not sound like much, but every second you save threading the machine or dealing with a bobbin is a second closer to finishing your project. For hemming jeans, sewing pillow covers, or tackling small quilts, this machine keeps a steady pace, letting you finish things in way less time than your standard starter machine. Number 4. Brother ST371HD, $250 to $320. Next up, the Brother ST371HD. This one is a bit more expensive, around $250 to $320, but it's designed to keep your projects moving smoothly. What makes it fast isn't just the motor, it's how it feeds fabric evenly. Think about it. A lot of machines technically have a high SPM, but if the layers don't move correctly, you're constantly adjusting seams. That kills any speed advantage. The ST371HD solves that with a better presser foot, heavy-duty needles, and a more consistent feed dog system. It also has 37 built-in stitches, so you can move between decorative and functional stitches without wasting time changing settings. The combination of smooth feeding, reliable motor, and simple setup means you can keep a higher working speed without errors slowing you down. If you're juggling multiple projects or want to power through small to medium tasks like garment sewing, tote bags, or pillow covers, this machine will make you feel like you're actually getting somewhere instead of dragging along. Number 3. Janome HD3000, $450 to $550. Now we're getting into machines that really feel faster. The Janome HD3000 is around $450 to $550, and it's built with stability and efficiency in mind, which is key for real speed. Its aluminum frame and metal construction reduce vibration, so even when you're sewing quickly over long seams, the stitches stay consistent. Most standard machines will start skipping or shaking when you increase speed. The HD3000 doesn't. The motor keeps strong torque across all speeds, which means you don't have to slow down over thicker seams or multiple layers. Adjustable presser foot pressure ensures fabrics feed evenly, so no stops to fix puckered sections. This machine is perfect for anyone who wants to tackle medium to larger projects like quilts, jackets, or home decor without the slow crawl of a standard machine. And because it's so reliable, you can keep a smooth, consistent pace, shaving real time off every project. Number 2. Juki HZL-F600, $900 to $1,100. If you're serious about sewing fast and efficiently, the Juki HZL-F600 is a game changer. Price-wise, we're talking $900 to $1,100, so it's definitely a step up, but it's built for people who want to finish projects faster without sacrificing stitch quality. What makes it truly fast is the perfect balance of speed, precision, and feed consistency. The feed dogs grip fabric perfectly, so layers move evenly at higher speeds. The motor keeps torque even as you push the pedal harder, meaning you don't lose power when you try to speed up. And vibration is minimal, so long seams stay consistent. Plus, it has programmable stitch memory, automatic thread trimming, and backstitching, all little things that save a few seconds per seam, which really adds up over large projects. Whether you're quilting, sewing clothing, or making home decor, this machine will help you finish faster because it actually keeps up with your hands instead of slowing you down. Finally, the top spot goes to the Juki TL-2010Q. This one isn't fancy for decorative stitches. It's a high-speed, straight-stitch powerhouse that feels like a semi-industrial machine in your home. Price is around $1,000 to $1,200, but for serious sewists, it's worth every penny. The motor can hit 1,500 SPM, but the real time-saving magic comes from how smoothly it feeds fabric and how steady it stays under speed. Most fast machines technically have high SPM, but slow down because they wobble or feed unevenly, not the TL-1020Q. Its rigid frame, low vibration, and reliable feed system let you sew long seams, multiple panels, or repeated patterns without slowing down. Add in its automatic features like thread trimming and backstitching, and you're cutting minutes off every project. If you consistently tackle big quilts, garments, or large home decor, this machine doesn't just feel fast, it actually lets you finish projects in a fraction of the time compared to a standard home machine. Why faster machines make a difference? Here's the thing. Speed isn't just about SPM. A machine that can technically hit 1,000 plus SPM but skips stitches or feeds poorly will still feel slow. Real-time saving comes from consistent feeding, fabric moves smoothly, no stops to fix puckers, reliable motor torque at all speeds, no slowdowns over thicker seams, stable, low-vibration frames, stitches stay consistent, fewer mistakes, and automatic functions like thread trimming and backstitching and programmable sequences save small seconds that really add up over large projects. All the machines on this list, from the budget Singer 4432 to the Juki TL-1020Q, share these traits. They help you finish projects faster, with less frustration, and with more predictable results. If you want to get more done in less time, these are the ones that actually make a difference.